Hey, it's Tuesday, September 19th, just following up on NVDA. You can see it's continuing higher. I just scaled out up here to set up kind of a no-risk trade or a very low-risk trade because I'll give it a little room to run. But bought the stock here 434.92, just scaled out at 436.25. So a little higher, and on the 1 minute chart you kind of had that first push up, pause, second, little after this pause here, I wanted to just sell that new high. So it lowers my break even stop to, if I really somewhere right around here, which if you look on the 15-minute chart is kind of, it's below the halfway point of this big move up. So I have room now for it to kind of settle in here if it wants to do that as it works towards this target and maybe the high of the day up here. And again, the big thing that I was looking at is on the daily chart, had this big green reversal day yesterday. I expect the high of that day to be taken out with some targets up here into this fair value gap. So this push down this morning to the midway point of that bar and 2 and almost 3 pushes was really a good opportunity to expect a bounce and then, this type of potential reversal, to really work back up towards the close and maybe even the pre-market highs up here as well. That creates kind of that double top from yesterday's high. That's where I think it's eventually heading. We'll see if it really builds some momentum and gets up there and traps all these sellers in the morning and continues higher along with the context that I think is in play on the daily chart. So good trader on NVIDIA. Again, if it fails, break even stops kind of down here, and I'll give it a little room to see if we can. I think we should hit this target at a minimum, so you can take definite base hit gains up there if it gets there, and then just see really what unfolds at that point. If it hits that point, that'll be a key area to monitor to see if it fails or even builds more momentum towards the next target, which is the high of the day.